Hello friends, I hope you have watched my earlier videos. If not, right now, just go and watch my videos. You will get more knowledge about nature. So today I am going to discuss more concepts about nature. So let's start with wind. Wind is a moving air. On a heavy windy day, strong winds blow at a high speed. We can also hear sound of the wind. On other day, the gentle winds blow and they are called as breeze. Right now, a soothing breeze is flowing and I am feeling very relaxed and cool. When very strong winds blow at a very high speed and a great force, they become storms, tornadoes and hurricanes which cannot be controlled by us and they become destructive. There are many uses of wind. The first is winds are used for sailing of ships in the sea or ocean. Then we can use wind for flying kites or balloons in the sky. Winds are also used to generate electricity. Generally, wind decides the direction of gliders and also the balloons and kites in the sky. Now let us understand what is day and night. The time for which the sun appears in the sky is called a day. During daytime we get sunlight from the sun. And night. Now let us learn about night. What is night? The time for which sun does not appear in the sky and moon. You can see a moon and stars. That time is called the night time. Usually the night time starts after the sunset. Look at the beauty of the sunset. I was so immersed in that. So let's discuss about sunset today. What is sunset? Sunset is the time at which the sun disappears from the sky. You can see a red color sky. Sunset occur at the evening time. Sunsets. What does sunset mean? Sunset means the sun goes to sleep, same like us. Now let's discuss about the sunrise. Sunrise is the time at which the sun appears in the sky. Usually it is an early morning time. How many of you have habit of waking up early? If you wake up early, you can surely watch the beauty of sunrise. Is it difficult? Okay, it's difficult. When you visit the beaches or shores of the seas or oceans, you can see the pearls of orange color, orange yellowish color spread all around on the sea water. That's because of the sunrise. It's the time of sunrise is usually the best to have a walk because the light from the sunrise for 2-3 hours is very good for your health because it does not contain UV light. Now I'll discuss about desert. Desert is a dry area of land where there is little or no rainfall at all. On earth, 1/3 of the area is occupied by the desert. The conditions are very harsh and it is very difficult to survive. There are two types of desert. The first one is cold desert. These deserts are always covered with snow or ice. They are called polar desert. One example is Antarctica is the largest cold desert in the world. The next one is hot desert. Hot deserts always have temperatures equal to 50 degrees Celsius or above it. One example is Sahara Desert in North Africa. The Atacama Desert in South America is one of the driest desert because it did not rain for 401 years there. In Middle East also there are some portions of hot desert. Hot deserts can be made useful by converting them into human settlement and they have also developed cloud seeding. So we experience rain showers in the deserts. So and you can see many palm trees in the desert areas where you can find dates. So deserts are useful for cultivation and living purpose. You can see here there's a white blanket of ice around me. It's snow. Snow. How is snow formed? Snow is formed with the water droplets in the air. The water droplets in the air freeze due to extremely cold temperature. These ice crystals are called as snow. We experience heavy snowfall when too many snowflakes fall on the ground with a high speed. How are snowflakes formed now? And they form ice crystal snowflakes. These ice crystals, when they hit each other, they stick to each other and they form snowflakes. Generally, snowfall occurs in month of December and January. We experience snowfall in the northern regions of the world like polar regions, Antarctica, Iceland. All these countries will have a heavy snowfall during this time. In India also we experience snowfall in the northern part, that's Himalayas and Kashmir. Snow adds beauty to the nature. During snow time you can go out, you can play with ice balls and also create the snowman. In snow you can do sledging and skiing. Right now I feel very cold, so let me put my jacket on. And when you go out during the winter season, don't forget to wear your woolen clothes. It's so cold. Hope you learned more things about nature from this video, and if you have not still watched the earlier parts of nature, then do watch it and increase your knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more updates, and I'll be back with some more videos. Bye.